Alright, so we will be making some nachos on the fire. Okay, so you will need some cheese, it doesn't matter what. You will need some chips and some tin foil. Okay, and you can put other stuff on it. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to get your chips. You're just going to put some chips on there. Okay, don't be shy, just put some on there. Alright, once you have that, you're going to grab your cheese, and you're going to put your cheese on it. The more cheese, the better. Alright. And if you want, you can get some other seasonings. Right here is taco seasoning and some red hot seasoning. You don't have to put it on, but I prefer to. I don't know what happened with the video, it stopped. Okay, so now once you've got your fire going, you're going to find a nice spot and you're just going to place your nachos there. Try not to burn yourself. So now you're going to wait for this to cook, and yeah, we'll come back once you're done. Alright, so after a while the cheese should have melted. Let me get my other hot pad. Yeah, caution, this is very hot, so use some hot pads. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to carefully grab it. Oh, look at that. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to put some toppings on it. Alright, once you're back here, you're going to basically put whatever toppings you want. All I'm doing is some salsa, and yeah. Let's get some salsa on this. Alright, once you've got your desired amount, dig in.